Hello everybody, this is the second cicada shell that I've found. It's already October, it's been here probably a while, and it hangs on through all the weather, huh? And I am in Riverside Cemetery here in Sunderland, near where I live at the moment. I might have to be moving in 3 months. And this is over here, Mike's Maze is over here, right there, basically. And this is the cemetery. Taking a walk today, fall day, early fall I guess. And the river, Connecticut River, is right down there. Okay, just wanted to show you the cicada. And there it is. Kind of a nice silhouette there. Alright, have a good one.